For those interested in knowing what exactly I was able to watch in native 8K resolution during my Samsung Q900R test, here's the summary. I was only able to see native 8K videos via built-in media player app. Samsung provided several promotional videos that TV detected without any issue and would play them either via USB or local server. In addition to this, TV would display 8K photos. Things would end right there if I hadn't been tagged on Twitter by Florian Friedrich, a well-known video consultant who actually re-encoded NASA's first 8K video in HDR and made it playable on Samsung Q900R. If you want to learn how Florian managed to do that, check the link in the description. What about YouTube? Well, YouTube app is currently limited to 4K at 60 frames per second, so I was not able to watch native 8K content on it. I downloaded several videos from YouTube in 8K resolution using 4K video downloader, but built-in media players simply refused to play them, stating that they are currently not supported. My final attempt was to play those videos through the web browser and select 8K option there. But that did not work either. On some videos 8K option was not available, or if it was, I would get a blank screen. As I said in my review of Samsung Q900R, 8K content does indeed look incredibly sharp, but you need either a really big screen or you need to sit very close to the TV to really appreciate all those pixels. And this resolution is visible only if the content on the screen is static. Add motion and all those fine details are lost, and you are pretty much where you are right now with your 4K TV. So don't let 8K itself fool you. We will also need high frame rate content and screens that will be able to display better resolution in motion to really have something significantly better than what we are having right now. Thanks for watching.